something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Talk to me, I need to hear you need me like I need you. Fall for me, I wanna know you feel how I feel for you, love. Before you, baby, I was numb, tryna pain by pouring up, speeding fast on the run, never wanna get caught up. Now you're the one that I'm calling.
What's that ticket?
Your lifters. There's no, all the oil's been soaked in the bottom.
It's not a goodbye, but it don't feel like see you later when we're both crying. In this broke down elevator, I know you're scared, cause I'm scared too. You're only mine if you're mine to lose. It's not a goodbye, cause that would break us. So I say, see you later.
They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Truck check.
Oh my Lord, take this soul, lay me at the bottom of the river.
It's pretty fucking.
I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed.
About to get her done. Alright, if you notice, the cab is kind of leaning the wrong way. And that door's got a fresh new dent. Oh, shit. Yeah, boys. I fucked up. It's not as easy as it looks.
You fucked up, boy.
Say it again.
You fucked up, boy.
G-Plex. Well, boys, we got her. Somewhat. Well, fixed the fuck up. Got her off. About shit myself about 3 or 4 times. But there we go. You got anything to say?
Redneck fucking ingenuity.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh.
not me. I rarely drink from the bottle, but I'll smoke a little weed.
Had my back up against the wall, I was feeling like do or die. But what don't kill me, make me stronger. I know it's